If you are having issues where you accidentally touch or interrupt your videos while watching on YouTube, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can lock your screen while watching YouTube videos on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your YouTube app, and you can see mine is here. Now the good thing is YouTube has made it possible for you to keep your screen locked while watching videos on the platform. So go ahead and open your YouTube app and go to any video that you are watching. Now here on your video, just go ahead and tap on this settings gear. You can see it on top. If you tap on it, now down below you can see quite a number of options, and among them is lock screen, and here it is. So if I go ahead and tap on lock screen, this will go ahead and convert and turn the video into full screen. And as you can see, it is playing uninterrupted. However, if you wish to unlock, now go ahead and just tap anywhere and it will reveal this tap to unlock button. Here, just go ahead and tap on it and you can see our video has been unlocked. From here, you can continue watching it in full screen. So if I go back here, I can see I have my videos back on screen and I can watch them normally. So that's how you can lock videos on YouTube using your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.